We're going to run a bunch of small parts here today. This is the NS machine that we are proposing, single side, working off a conveyor belt, better for smaller parts. Very simple. One belt in the front, one belt in the back, counter rotating. You can, with a quick release or quick belt change, you have adjustments basically for the entire belt for wear and tear. Those are the spindles that you see top and left and the right, and then the whole frame, including the pressure rolls, can be adjusted up and right for material thickness. So this is your control for material thickness. This is your control for wear and tear. We have that already adjusted. We tried that before. The machine has sound insulation, two-wing hoods. You have the same hood in the back for accessibility. And very, very simple control. So all we need to do here right now is close the hood, turn on the control voltage. We have set the belt speed to almost maximum, 90% of maximum at 10. And run. So you turn the machine on, and then you simply place your part. What you should do is you should always orient your parts based on the direction of the bottom and the top of the cut, because the bottom of the cut you do want to go a little bit slower than on the top. And then you can place your part. Come out. What you want to feel is for temperature. You want a good temperature in the part. Very nice. I like the edges. And then, so now the other parts are a little bit thinner. They're 40,000, so we make the adjustment here where we can just go a little bit thinner. We don't have to make an adjustment here because it moves up and down with the material thickness. But again, we're going to do the burr side first, so we're going to go a little bit slower. Bring the belt speed and so that it holds better. We're going to also reduce the standing belt speed. Okay, here we go. You don't need to stop it, just go around the back. You can see from the debris that we are working on the material. See that next? And you see how, with the temperature in the part, how the part is almost glued to the belt. You really need to feel those off. Underneath this belt in the back is a counter-rotating brush that cleans the belt and that keeps it fresh so that the parts continue to stick. So now we're just going to flip them to the other side. And we're going to run this side. Always parts over the longest feature being from here to here. And space them nicely apart so that we have ample of room to go onto the part. Right now we are running at about 4 feet a minute, which means 4 or 5 right. We are processing 20 parts a minute or 1,200 parts an hour.